Okay, the objective for today. See how many trout. Did someone just catch another one? See how many trout we can catch, or see how fast it takes to catch our limit. We're turkey hunting. The others were came down here to trout fish. Sounded like they found some trout, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so you're gonna see a time warp video because that's all I got. I caught 2, but I was in time warp the whole time. I don't know. Maybe we should just say, see how fast I can catch 5 starting now. See how many I can catch. But that kind of sucks. So always make sure your GoPro's in the right settings. Nope, that hit the bottom. Oh, now the sun's coming out.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
That is a great thing.
Do you fish like sun?
Yeah, I don't know if fish like sun, but I like the sun. Oh, they attacked it. I completely missed that. Dude, I saw one pick at it. I think I almost broke my rod again. I had one attack. There's just a flaw in how I'm rigging these. Let's try this now. Pardon me, my friend.
Oh, caught on this.
Oh, that took way too long. This is not going to be a good situation. I need the net, buddy.
How big is that?
It's a nice rainbow.
Can you hand me the net? Just don't bite. You know what's gonna happen while I'm helping you? They're just gonna bite it. And
Hold on. Oh no, I got him good. Come on. Stay in the water. That was a heck of a netting job by Hans. Good. Yeah, that one's a keeper.
I'm gonna see if I can't revive these guys a little bit here.
That one's a pretty nice rainbow. Oh, nice. Oh no, 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 no.
What?
Anything but that.
Oh, you're stuck on the log.
Oh, there was a fish right. No, there wasn't. It was just stuff coming off the log. I just scraped against that and I'm like, shoot, I gotta play my cards very carefully. Yeah. I had something that attacked it. Oh, there's another one right down in there. This is my fourth. Hey buddy, where you are is actually a perfect spot.
Why?
Because that's they're floating.
I have, but
This guy's all fired up because he got stuff on it.
Yeah, reel it in there.
Relax. Ooh. Smile for the camera. And have a good one, my friend. He's like, that was weird.
what was?
It probably got bent somewhere.
It looks fat. I caught one rainbow.
Just like, excuse me. Cast up from that. Hey Joe. Sometimes just trust your older brother.
Dude, what the shit is this?
Why? Oh, we got doubled up.
We got another Caleb and Joe double.
What the world?
Give me something, Joe. Hold on, we gotta land them first.
Yeah.
They just like look small.
So how much is that?
Alright, let's see if I can get one now.
That's 5 or 6.
Number 11. Bro, you're putting your... Yeah.
Oh!
Dude,
What?
he just like... You can do that with wild trout, but these trout were like tiny trout.
Look at that. We got ourselves a dub.
I'm ripping his lip.
Back to doing this again. Should release him, or you're keeping it.
He's big enough.
Let him around.
Stop trying to get him, you know? So how I did it.
Like the tail? Just don't lose the.
What are you gonna do back there?
I don't know.
Oh, he'll eat anything. Mm-mm.
Did you feel one?
Yeah, I had one attack. I had a tap.
Nope, they're over there. Just gonna.
Oh, that's not far.
You have one? Nice one.
Mm-hmm.
You need the net?
Maybe. He's kind of sluggish.
Come in here.
Whoa, Hans. Let me bring him.
Got one. Is that another rainbow? Yep, another rainbow.
You want to go put this in the bucket?
I would have used the golden one like that. I lost it. Oh, what?
Yeah, I missed one.
Come on.
Garrett, don't let go of them.
He took my minnow.
They're in here.
Yeah.
Oh, you got one.
These crazy fish.
Or once you get out of that, probably on the bank.
Yeah.
I need to move. How is this gonna work? Oh, now I am too.
Here, give it to me, Hans.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my goodness, he absolutely swallowed the thing. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me hook him on.
Mm-hmm. He just chewed on it. No, I'm just saying, like, I just felt like him chewing on it. Like, he didn't absolutely pound it.
Ethan, I'm gonna need your, I'm gonna need fire. And then this thing needs to be...
Ah, he popped off. See if I can grab him. There he goes. Very cool. Whoa. Cool. All right, guys, we are outside. We are hanging trail cameras, getting ready to look for some good deer to chase this fall. As I was editing this video, I realized I did not do an outro. Very sloppy of me. It's terrible. I just left you guys hanging. Hopefully this video encouraged you guys to get outside, to go buy some fishing gear. If you don't already fish, go get fishing gear. What are you doing? Don't sit on the couch all summer. It is summer. It's time to get outside. It's time to enjoy God's creation. It's time to go experience some of this for yourself. So hopefully that inspired you to do that. If you can't get outside, if you know you're on the couch, if you're sick in the hospital, whatever, hopefully this somewhat brought the outdoors to you. Now I know it's not as authentic as going outside and enjoying it yourself, but if you can't get outside, hopefully this kind of brought the outdoors to you. Hopefully it made your day a little brighter. With that, I'll catch you on the next one.